Today I am going to show you how easy it is to prepare these delicious crispy baked wings. Guys, you know I'm going to say this, very easy. This took about 30 to 35 minutes, guys. So come with me and let me show you guys how easy it is to prepare these delicious crispy baked wings. So let's do this, guys. This is all the ingredients we are going to be needing. Of course, we're gonna need our wings. I have about 4 pounds of wings right here, okay? So we have some garlic powder, some onion powder. We have some bacon powder, guys. And this right here is what's gonna give that nice crispy texture on these wings. It's gonna be so good. We have some brown sugar. We have some black pepper, we have some paprika, and I also have some butter. I'm not gonna be using this whole stick of butter, but we're gonna need butter. I'm gonna show you guys to do a little sauce at the end. And of course, we have some salt, okay? We have our baking dish that we're gonna be needing. And of course, I have some cooking spray to spray the pan. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything in this nice little bowl. And then we're gonna go ahead and toss all these ingredients in this little bag right here, guys. And we're gonna toss the wings in here. And this is gonna be so good, guys. And it's so easy, guys. I know I say this all the time. They're gonna be so delicious. Now, guys, with the wings, we need to make sure that they are dry, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and pat them dry a little bit more so the seasoning can actually stick to the wings, okay? So I'm going to do that process again. So I'm gonna go ahead, just add all the ingredients here. And guys, I have about 2 tablespoons of everything, okay? Again, season to taste, guys. You wanna do 1 tablespoon? Go ahead, just do 1 tablespoon. 2, 3, it's really up to you guys, okay? Gotta be very careful, of course, with the salt as usual. But I pretty much have 2 tablespoons of everything. And I'm gonna use about 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna be actually preparing a little sauce at the end, so we can always add more salt if we need to, okay? So this is what we need to do. We gotta make sure there's no crumbs. Gotta make sure all this is nice and mixed together. This is gonna be so good, guys. You know, I love fried chicken. I love fried wings. It is a little healthier doing this in the oven. So this is gonna be really good, really good. And it almost tastes like they're fried. And again, the trick here is the baking powder, guys. That's really what does the trick, the nice crunchiness. And we're gonna actually bake this at 425 actually. I do have my oven preheating already. And I know it's high, guys, but that's the temperature we need. And it's going to bake for about 20 minutes, okay? And then we can always, at the end, we can always put it on broil, give it a good 5 minutes if we want that extra color or crunchiness to them. I think this is good, guys. Okay, so we're gonna save 2 tablespoons of the seasoning because we're gonna use this to do the nice little butter sauce at the end, okay? So I think we are ready to go. Let's do this. So this is what you guys want. The seasoning is all the way here to the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting all the chicken wings in here, and then we're gonna toss these babies around and they are ready to go. Now, guys, this is what we want. Look how perfect. Okay, so this is what you wanna do. Wanna make sure all the wings are covered in this beautiful seasoning. And you see, guys, they're pretty much dry, so they have actually stuck to the wings. Beautiful. This is exactly what we want. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead, spray our baking dish right here. Here you go, guys. This is what we wanna do. We wanna make sure that they're not too close together. okay? Because it's not going to do the job, okay? Pretty. So let's go ahead and get these babies in here and get them baking, guys. So let's do this, guys. 425, 20 minutes. And guys, the wings are ready. I gave them a little broil at the end, so that's why you see these little darks, crispy skin. Guys, these are so delicious. So guys, let's do this nice butter sauce for the wings. I actually have here half a stick of butter. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of the seasoning we did prior. I'm not gonna add it all. Okay, so I'm just probably gonna do just half because I am gonna be adding some Tabasco sauce in here, guys. Listen, you don't have to do hot sauce if you don't want to, but guys, we love hot sauce around here. So we're gonna go ahead and add some Tabasco. Again, you know, we're not shy, so we're gonna go ahead and do a few extra drops. If you wanna add a little bit of salt, you can taste and see if you need a little salt, a little pepper, you can do that. However, remember the seasoning I already added already has seasoning. Okay, so season to taste, guys, and put as much hot sauce you fancy. This is perfect. So guys, let's go ahead and add this delicious butter spicy sauce to these wings. I think this is gonna be what's gonna really bring these wings to the top, up a notch, guys. Look how beautiful this looks. Just gonna go ahead and toss them around. So all the wings are actually covered in this delicious butter. This is perfect. Beautiful. So, you know, guys, I am definitely gonna try one. This is so good. Crunchy, spicy, and perfectly cooked. Guys, I sure hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell so you guys don't miss out on videos. Bye bye.